Hey guys, what is going on? So today we're going to be going over this guy right here. This is a magnetic mount kit for your car or like a table. I guess you could put it on a table. If you guys haven't seen the iPhone 10 case unboxing, this is the same exact company that all the cases were. Same exact company, so I really do like their cases and everything like that. So it comes with a installation guide right there. We'd never need those, so we're just going to put that back. And it comes with 3 things, guys. This thing is really simple. It's not like, if you guys have ever had a car mount before, most of the time they're really confusing and really annoying, but this one that I could see right now is really like easy to install and easy to use. So basically it comes with this thing right here. Basically this goes on your like fan of your car. It like sticks in like, but this is for the fan if you want to put that on there, and this is for the dash. It has a little piece of adhesive right there, so you can just stick it on. I'll most likely use this other than this because I think this is a way better solution, and I already have air fresheners on my fan, so I'm not gonna take that off. These are adhesive right here. These are little magnets that stick onto this. So as you can see, watch this, guys. Watch right here. Look at that. That is a strong freaking, look at that. That is a really strong magnet, guys. That's not going anywhere. Like, honestly, guys, what you do with these, guys, you pretty much put them on your phone. I would really recommend putting on a case and not putting it directly on your phone, or get a tempered glass screen protector and put it on that instead of your actual phone, because you don't want to mess up the glass on your actual phone, because that would just be a nightmare, because it's really expensive to repair it, like as you guys already know. Or there is a case that Patchworks makes that is for this thing specifically. So basically, here's the case. It's a pretty, I mean, it's a little bit bulky, as you can see, not too bad though. I would honestly use it, but there is a little place for this thing to go, so you just put it like that, and then there's no bump or anything like that. Or guys, you can actually use, oh my gosh, where's my case, dude? Where is my actual case? There it is. Jeez, my room is a mess, dude. I figured that you could do this as well. So basically, you don't even have to put the adhesive on it. You literally just put it in the case like this, as you can see, just like that. Then just hold it and then put it like this. That's not supposed to happen. I put the phone in there like this. Make sure the thing is like in the middle of it, and then put the case on. And then you can't really tell it's even there. You can like maybe, honestly, I can't even tell. Like I can barely feel a little bump right here, but it's really not noticeable at all. Like, and then guys, literally, like, look at that. That's literally so simple and easy. Like, it's way better than the other ones that I've used before in the past, where it's like adhesive on your phone, and you put it like, you stick the adhesive on your phone, like, so it'd be like this way, like this, and the adhesive would be way too strong, and then you like end up bending like your phone because it's like aluminum, so you like end up bending it when you try to take it off. Really strong magnet too. Like, this is not, obviously you don't do that, because that's not, your car is not going to go upside down and do that. I don't know, I'm definitely going to use this. I've been waiting to unbox this so I can actually use it. Look at that. It's literally, this is an Apple leather case. You guys already know. You can do this pretty much with any case as long as it's not too thin. As you can see, this is a pretty, honestly, this is a pretty thin case, but it's a leather material, so it flexes a little bit more than other materials. But yeah, guys, let's go install this in my car right now. What's going on, guys? This is a weird angle. Like, I'm in my car right now. What we're gonna do is where is the mount? Okay, it's in my pocket. We're gonna actually install this one right here first, just because I think the fan one isn't that stable, and I wouldn't really recommend using that one, honestly, unless you don't want to stick something on your car. I don't really know where I want to put it, so right here, I know I have a lot of receipts in here, but anyways, I don't know if I should put it here or like right here, because if it's right here, then, oh wait, what? How am I? Put it right there on the airbag thing, maybe? Just like, actually, maybe like on the right there on the glass. Let's see. Put it right here. I just dropped my phone. Basically, just gonna take this off like that, adhesive with one hand, because I'm just freaking sick. I think I'm just gonna put it right here, to be honest, guys, where it says freaking airbags, because I feel like that's the best place to put it. So there we go. Put it on like that, and then there we go. Nice and stable, and upside down. And bang. There we go, guys. So as you can see, really stable, really simple. Just grab it, leave, go, put it back on. Easy, guys. Like, look at that magnet. Super strong. Get, go. Guys, look at that. Unreal. And this is on the leather case. So yeah guys, I think that's a perfect spot to put it. And yeah, alright guys, so as you can see, really simple to install and put on your car. I definitely recommend it guys. So you should not be texting and driving. Just wait until you're parked, until you're good to read a text or look at Instagram or Facebook or something like that, whatever, Snapchat. It's not worth it guys. Just like, it's not worth it. Do not text and drive. That's all I could say. But for me guys, my job right now currently, I fix phones for a company. So I for houses, like I go to their house and fix phones, and most of the time, all the time, don't know where they are, don't know where the house is. So I always have my maps open in my car, and it's really annoying that I have to hold it and like drive, which is actually really unsafe. I just have to put it on the mount, and then it's good to go. I can keep my eyes on the road and then just keep glancing at it just to see where I'm going. So that's what I think that is really useful for this thing, and really safe. But if you guys get this, please do not like watch a freaking movie or podcast. So guys, I really do recommend this thing, especially if you do road trips or something like that, and you use your maps application a lot. I'm gonna use it pretty much every day because I pretty much have a job almost every single day. So it's gonna be really helpful for me. It's one of the most convenient like mounts I've ever seen. I'm pretty sure it's only $19.99, which is actually a really good deal. Most of the mounts are more expensive and they don't do as well as the job as this does. I haven't really tested it out too much, but I can already tell that it's gonna be really simple for me to use, and it's just gonna be probably the best mount that I've ever used in my car ever. And I've owned like probably 4 or 5 mounts. I've tried them all out, and this one seems to be the winning one guys. So I'll give you guys some updates later on in some future video. And you even use a tablet on it, that would be kind of silly looking, but you could do that, trying to like make your car look like a Tesla or something like that with a huge screen on it. But just be careful guys, keep your eyes on the road, do not text and drive. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe guys. It really does help out the channel, and I'll see you guys on I don't know why I said on, in the next video guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace.